Hello and welcome to this honest review of VidFusion AI. I paid for this with my own money. It cost me $14. I think I got $3 off using a coupon code. If I can find it, I'll put that in the video description. Let's get into this and talk about what VidFusion AI is. VidFusion AI is apparently the most groundbreaking of video creation platforms, but let's see. So let's create a video. Let's go to create. I've loaded that. It's loading. We can just put in a text prompt, we can put in a URL, or we can write our own scripts. Let's make it from a script. So let's write a script. So I have written a very basic script. I probably want it to be 13 to 18 seconds. I've called it uni. It's going to be a 16 to 9. Let's go for 4K. Let's not have captions. Let's not have background music. We'll have Amber doing the talking. We can generate from stock or AI visuals. I'm going to generate from AI visuals. Let's go. So I'm going to come back when that video has been created. So that took a couple of minutes and we have generated our video. We can't change our text, but I guess that's okay because, well, we wrote it ourselves. So if I click here, I can edit. So all I can really do is edit the image. So the text stays as it is. I can delete the slide, I can change the order, I can duplicate it. Let's have a look at changing the image. So we can search for a stock library, we can regenerate with AI, or we can upload some footage. Let's see what we get with the stock library. That's not too bad, actually. That's not too bad. We're getting some things there. Let's just regenerate with, oh, that's unfortunate that it's come up with null. So it looks like it's done exactly the same thing with the AI regeneration. That did take an awful long time. It's basically changed the text it uses for AI generation, but it's come up with the same thing. So is it new? Is it different? I don't know. We can change our text position and our base colors here. This is annoying that if I click on this slide or this scene, I don't know what the picture is. So that's unfortunate. Maybe if I go through, this isn't very good that we don't have a picture. So we just get like a buffer. And here, we don't have a picture for this third slide. So I'm going to export it because I'm keen to see whether I get 4K or not. And I'll come back once the export is done. Yes, I want to generate it. Hello and welcome back. The video has generated. Now there's been a bit of a problem with the video because the video is not supported by my video editor, which is unusual, I would say. I've had a look in the file properties. There's no thing about file height, but I've converted it in a program and brought it into my video editor, although the sound doesn't work, but it's really quite small. So I do not think this is 4K. So I'm in the software. I'm using the software to preview it. So let's look at it.
A pink unicorn is flying over a rainbow. The unicorn sees his friends and stops to talk to them. The friends chat about the rainbox and then the unicorn flies away.
So there are some mistakes, but that's probably from my scripts, like the about with an I and the rainbox and things like that. There are 3 scenes. 1 scene didn't have a picture and 2 scenes did. I can live with this sort of stuff that's AI generated where you've got this oddity and stuff. I don't care about that. But when there's no picture, I don't think that's very good. So I picked 4K. This is not 4K. This is not a 4K video. The video is in an unsupported format and it didn't have a picture for the third one, which is really not very good at all. So I must say I'm not impressed with the software. Thank you. Goodbye.